the experience of our people in this exercise has been real great. Outstanding aircraft. I mean, we don't have anything to buy from your homemade aircraft. They are real nice, well, they are top of the line. The experience of our people in this exercise has been real great. We have fly together with European nations, with Indian nations, and it has been a real big opportunity to exchange experiences that this has improved our interoperability, and well, it has been real great, and the support we have received from the Indian Air Force has been outstanding.